In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert colonists in Rimworld. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the ideology mechanic in Rimworld and how to convert colonists. So, like I mentioned, the ideology plays a significant role in Rimworld. Each colonist has their own ideology, which influences their behavior, decisions, and even compatibility with other colonists. So, to convert one of them means changing their ideology to align with your colonies. So, there are three main methods of conversion, and I'm going to present them in this video. So, first, you have social conversion. First, you will have to assign a priest. Designate a colonist with high social skills as your priest. Now, use the convert action. This option is going to become available in the social tab of the colonist that you want to convert. The effectiveness of this method is going to depend on the social skill of your priest and the traits of the colonist that you are trying to convert. You can build rituals, so building specific ritual structures can enhance the conversion process. And like I mentioned, this is going to be done by designating one of your colonists with high social skills as the priest. Next, you have prisoner conversion, which in my opinion is the most popular. All that you have to do is capture and imprison. So capture the colonists that you want to convert and place them in prison. While imprisoned, the colonists' ideology will slowly erode. This can be accelerated by using harsh treatment and keeping them in uncomfortable situations. Once the ideology is sufficiently weakened, release them and attempt to convert them using the social methods. So essentially, you will lower the ideology first and then convert them. And to finish this off, you have colonist interaction. Colonists with similar ideologies can influence each other. So if a new colonist joins your colony with an ideology that differs from the majority, they may gradually adapt the dominant ideology over time. So in this case, you just have to wait and see if they get converted naturally. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert colonists in Rimworld. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.